Hello everyone, how to solve this equation in order to find the value of x. Here is x power 4 plus x square, it is equal to 30. We write its solution. We have x power 4 plus x power 2, it is equal to 30, which implies x power 4. 4 can be written as 2 times 2 plus x power 2, it is equal to 30. Now we can write it as x power 2 and whole power 2 plus x power 2, it is equal to 30. Now here right hand side is 30. We can shift this right hand side to left hand side. It will become x power 2 whole square plus x power 2 minus 30, it is equal to 0. Now let us consider that x power 2, it is equal to for example t. Now we have t power 2 plus t minus 30, it is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now in order to solve this, first method is using quadratic formula. Second method is to break the middle term. Now here it is equation is t square plus t minus 30, it is equal to 0. First we use the quadratic formula. T it is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 of a. Here a it is equal to 1, b it is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 30. Thus t it is equal to minus b, means that minus of 1, plus minus square root of b square, means that 1 square, minus 4ac, means that 4 times 1 times minus 30, divided by 2 of a, means that 2 times 1, which implies t it is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1, minus time minus it become plus, 4 times 1 4, and 4 times 30 it become 120 divided by 2. Now t it is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 120. We have 121 divided by 2. Now t it is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 121, it is equal to 11 square divided by 2. Now this square and root can be cancelled out. T it is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of here it is 11 divided by 2. Thus t it is equal to minus 1 plus minus 11 divided by 2, and t it is equal to minus 1 plus 11 divided by 2 minus 1 minus 11 divided by 2. Thus t it is equal to minus 1 plus 11 to become 10 divided by 2. Now minus 12 divided by 2, and t it is equal to 5 and minus 6. Here are two values of t. This is our first method. Now moving to the second method is break down the middle term. T square plus t minus 30, it is equal to 0. Now we can write it as t square plus t can be written as 6 of t minus 5 of t minus 30, as it is equal to 0, which implies we can take out t out from both of this term. We get t times t plus 6 minus 5 we can take out. Now t plus 6, it is equal to 0. Now we can take out t plus 6 and t plus 6 out. T plus 6, no, here it is a t minus 5, it is equal to 0. Now on equating both term to 0, we get t plus 6 it is equal to 0, or t it is equal to t it is equal to 5, which implies t it is equal to minus of 6 or 5. Thus by this method and quadratic formula method, we get a t it is equal to 5 and minus 6. Same from here, t is equal to 5 and minus 6. Now further we have to find the value of x, but t it is equal to 5 and minus of 6. Now when t it is equal to 5, now recall t it is equal to x square. Now on substituting the value of t means that t it is equal to x square, thus x square it is equal to 5, which implies x it is equal to plus minus square root of 5. Now here are two values of x. First value is square root of 5, second value is minus square root of 5. Now when t it is equal to minus of 6, when t it is equal to minus of 6, no, but t it is equal to x square. Now in place of t we substitute x square, we get x square it is equal to minus of 6. Now in order to remove this square, we get x is equal to plus minus square root of minus of 6, which implies x it is equal to plus minus square root of minus of 1 times square root of 6. And this square root of minus of 1 it is equal to iota, which implies x it is equal to plus minus iota square root of 6. Now the values of x it is equal to x1 it is equal to square root of 5, x2 it is equal to minus square root of 5, x3 it is equal to iota square root of 6, and x4 it is equal to minus iota square root of 6. Now here are the four roots: x1, x2, x3 and x4. The highest value of this equation is 4, and the four root are x1, x2, x3 and x4. 2 belongs to this real number square root of 5 and square root of minus of 6, but these two root means that iota square root of 6 and minus iota square root of 6 belong to the complex number.